All right, guys. So for today, I'm gonna go over last night some of the problems from the home plate to ensure that you guys got some of the problems correct and to uh, revisit some of the concepts that you should have learned last year and just talk through that. But tonight it's these 8 problems, and I'm recording so like that I can upload this and you guys have the home plate also on YouTube in case you copied incorrectly. Yeah. Everybody done?
No.
Oh, be nice. Okay, copy that, please. All right, here we go. Get your home plate in front of you from last night, please.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
All right.
I lost it, dang it.
I'm going to start with number 6, 7. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, let's go. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start with number 6, 7, and 8. Focus, please. Guys, focus. Here it goes. So, number 6. I said to write an inequality, you do 2 things. The first one, you write the variable. Doesn't matter which variable you use. I'm going to use my initial, Q. And you use the dividing point. What's the dividing point? The dividing point is 6. That's the first thing you do. The second thing you do, I said, check a point from the shaded region or the solution set. Which point shall I use here? I'm going to use 4. Okay, I'll put that here, 4 in the dividing point. And originally, the balance bar was straight like this. Which one is heavier now? 6. That means 4 is less than 6. Is that true? Yes. Therefore, I write it in here, and that's my inequality. Hands if you got that. Okay, good. Let me go to the next one. Once again, what do I start with? The variable and the dividing point. Are you near the dividing point for that one? 2.5 or 2.5. So I'm going to use x and 2.5. There they are. Next, what do? Check with one of the points in the shaded region. Which is the easiest point, or the one right immediately there? It's 3, and 2.5. The balance bar was originally here. Which one is heavier now? The 3. That means 3 is greater than 2.5. That is true, so I write x greater than 2.5. Hands if you got that. Okay, good. So far, so good. Yes? On these, you don't do the solution setting. I'm just asking you for the inequality. Next, number 8. Number 8. Here it goes. Look up. X, and what is my what's my dividing point? Negative 0.5. So, which point do I test? Which is the one immediately right after that? 0, because part of the shaded region. So 0, negative 0.5. The original balance bar was here. It was even, but now which one's heavier? The 0. So let's see. Is 0 greater than negative 0.5? Yes. However, look up, please. At this point, you would look that this one is different because this point is a solid point, which means it includes the point, so we draw the equal sign right here. Double check your work. Hands if you got that. That is correct. Yes. Yeah, that's why I said this here, don't think of the direction of the shading. I want you to test and understand where you're looking at. You see what I'm saying? It's a little bit different from what you did last year. Last year you relied on the direction of the shading, yes? Oh, that's where I'm going to shade. That's where I'm going to shade. But what if the variable was on the other side? You see what I'm saying? So make sure you check and you test it to make sure you know what you're shading. Let me go over number 1. Here we go. Number 1. Okay, here we go. Line down the inequality symbol. First of all, what do we do with these with fractions all over the place? Multiply times what? Common denominator, which is 6. Distribute, that's negative 6 over 2x, plus 6 times 2, that's 12 over 3, less than or equal to 6 times 5, that's 30 over 6. So far, so good? Next, simplify. This is negative 3x plus 4, less than or equal to 5. All right, let's continue. Immediately, I need to get rid of this 4, so I subtract 4, I get negative 3x less than or equal to 1. Look at the last step. Divide by what? Negative 3. Divide by negative 3. So what happens? X is greater than or equal to negative 1/3.
Wow.
So make a correction, please, those of you that did not flip it, and make a note for yourself to remember. Remember, put an asterisk and say, and a heart. Flip the symbol, bless you, when multiplying or dividing by a negative only. Yes. Yes, you need to simplify. That's how we get rid of the fraction. Solution set. Solution set of x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 1/3. And you guys already know how to graph, right?
Yeah.
So once again, make sure tonight you check and you double check that you're flipping the symbol. Okay? So our home play was numbers 1 through 8. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy your home play. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.